1. What is the role of a certificate authority, CA, in the context of digital security? A. Encrypts user data. B. Issues digital certificates. C. Conducts penetration testing. D. Monitors network traffic. Correct answer. B. Issues digital certificates. 2. What is the purpose of a security information and event management (SIEM) system? A. Encrypts sensitive data. B. Monitors network traffic. C. Detects and responds to security incidents. D. Controls access to digital resources. Correct answer. C. Detects and responds to security incidents. 3. What cryptographic algorithm is commonly used for secure communication over the Internet? A. RSA. B. MD5. C. SHA-1. D. DES. Correct answer. A. RSA. 4. In the context of cybersecurity, what is a zero-day exploit? A. An attack that targets known vulnerabilities. B. An attack that occurs on the first day of a month. C. An attack that exploits vulnerabilities unknown to the software vendor. D. An attack that occurs at midnight. Correct answer. C. An attack that exploits vulnerabilities unknown to the software vendor. 5. What is the purpose of a distributed denial of service (DDoS) attack? A. Steals sensitive information. B. Disrupts access to online services by overwhelming servers with traffic. C. Encrypts data for ransom. D. Gains unauthorized access to digital systems. Correct answer. B. Disrupts access to online services by overwhelming servers with traffic. 6. Which authentication factor is considered the most secure? A. Something you know. B. Something you have. C. Something you are. D. Something you do. Correct answer. C. Something you are. 7. What is the purpose of a firewall in a network security infrastructure? A. Encrypts network traffic. B. Monitors user activity. C. Controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. D. Detects and removes malware. Correct answer. C. Controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. 8. What is the primary objective of a phishing attack? A. Steal sensitive information by impersonating a legitimate entity. B. Install malicious software on a victim's device. C. Conduct reconnaissance on a target network. D. Overwhelm a server with traffic. Correct answer. A. Steal sensitive information by impersonating a legitimate entity. 9. What is the primary function of a virtual private network, VPN? A. Encrypts network traffic. B. Monitors network activity. C. Blocks unauthorized access to digital resources. D. Authenticates users. Correct answer. A. Encrypts network traffic. 10. What is the primary purpose of data masking in cybersecurity? A. Encrypts sensitive data. B. Reduces the visibility of sensitive data by replacing it with fictitious but realistic data. C. Monitors user activity. D. Identifies security vulnerabilities. Correct answer. B. Reduces the visibility of sensitive data by replacing it with fictitious but realistic data. 11. What does the term SQL injection refer to in the context of cybersecurity? A. A technique for encrypting SQL databases. B. A method for extracting data from SQL databases. C. A type of malware that targets SQL servers. D. A method of exploiting SQL database vulnerabilities to execute malicious SQL statements. Correct answer. D. A method of exploiting SQL database vulnerabilities to execute malicious SQL statements. 12. What is the purpose of biometric authentication in cybersecurity? A. Encrypts user data. B. Authenticates users based on unique physiological or behavioral characteristics. C. Monitors network traffic. D. Controls access to digital resources. Correct answer. B. Authenticates users based on unique physiological or behavioral characteristics. 13. What is the role of the legislative branch of the U.S. government in the context of privacy? A. Enforces privacy laws. B. Interprets privacy laws. C. Enacts laws impacting privacy. D. Regulates privacy standards. Correct answer. C. Enacts laws impacting privacy. 14. What is the primary objective of a ransomware attack? A. Gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. B. Disrupt normal business operations and extort money from victims. C. Install malicious software on a victim's device. D. Intercept and modify network traffic. Correct answer. B. Disrupt normal business operations and extort money from victims. 15. What role does encryption play in securing data during transmission? A. Authenticates users. B. Monitors network traffic. C. Protects data from unauthorized access by encoding it into a secure format. D. Controls access to digital resources. Correct answer: C. Protects data from unauthorized access by encoding it into a secure format. 16. What is the purpose of a Security Operations Center, SOC, in cybersecurity? A. Encrypts sensitive data. B. Monitors and analyzes security alerts and incidents. C. Controls access to digital resources. D. Conducts penetration testing. Correct answer: B. Monitors and analyzes security alerts and incidents. 17. What is the primary goal of a man-in-the-middle (MIT-M) attack? A. Gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. B. Intercept and modify communication between two parties without their knowledge. C. Disrupt network traffic. D. Install malware on a victim's device. Correct answer: B. Intercept and modify communication between two parties without their knowledge. 18. What is the purpose of a vulnerability assessment in cybersecurity? A. Encrypts network traffic. B. Identifies and evaluates security weaknesses in an organization's digital infrastructure. C. Monitors user activity. D. Blocks unauthorized access to digital resources. Correct answer: B. Identifies and evaluates security weaknesses in an organization's digital infrastructure. 19. What is the primary objective of a social engineering attack? A. Exploit vulnerabilities in software systems. B. Disrupt network operations. C. Manipulate individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that compromise security. D. Authenticate users. Correct answer: C. Manipulate individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that compromise security. 20. What role does multi-factor authentication play in enhancing cybersecurity? A. Authenticates users based on multiple physiological or behavioral characteristics. B. Encrypts sensitive data. C. Controls network traffic. D. Requires users to provide multiple forms of identification before granting access to digital resources. Correct answer: D. Requires users to provide multiple forms of identification before granting access to digital resources.